Hey, what's up YouTube? I have something new today. I bought some running shoes. These are Hoka Clifton 8s and they're in wide, and I got a 9.5. Usually I'm a size 10, but when I tried them on at the store, I went to Marathon Sports, and the 10s were just a tad big and I want these to fit right. I got the 9.5s, and I have flat feet, so what I opted for was the wide version of these shoes. And it felt a lot better. You know, I could feel it on the inside of my foot, on the arch of my foot, a little pressure when I tried on the regular one. But these are just sweet. When I tried on the wides in 9.5, they felt real nice. I really like the look of these shoes. A nice extra tongue on the back, and it's nice and soft here too. You know, I'm not much of a runner. I used to be, but I want to get into it, and I want to run outside, and I want something that's low impact on my knees. And I heard these are the best. So this is honestly my first review of any shoe, and I'm hopeful because I want to get in shape and I want to run outside, but I want to be easy on my knees. So I really like the look of these shoes. And these wide ones. I was happy they had it in the wide version. So I'll give you a real update once it's nice, once I can get out there. It looks like it's raining right now, but once it's done raining, I'm going to get outside and let you know how these go. But I'm hopeful. So wish me luck. These things are sweet. Let's go.